tariki isano ne mumutinyu gatano gatatu mwaka w'ekibubire n'emerongo ebere na inye mwanchumuliria Ondizi TV andonsi sototengerete nilo kwegenanga niwenda tukutwara omugaso omuya tukwalineti amange ayitura tukumanya ase marogoba yabono nigo yaragire chinsa 10 cyabono marogoba etene nkuru kwa Job Maangi na kwa kinga chibichichi boygo na Mario Gabriel wekera asenchira Job wekera nun Kelvin Mugambi nkwendande asumutumo kwa mkinkwira na imbe nkomanya amange bunabereka kwa nekigwa kurwa asemambi wekera bono marogoba. Kwene kianko nyorore wetera asenchira yomunwa wimanyerio Lydia Mose na wakwendo tubwate wetera somtanda ito Facebook Ndizi TV News digital YouTube Ndizi TV News wetera somtanda ito www.ndizitv.net ama yeni gotoka chakurwa ase county ya Kisii asensemo area ya Masabo igotoka ase wodi ya Kisusu ebunge ya Nyaribali Masaba asebone yabere omweso omunene asamenyi borogongo oruo asumugondo oyomo yorenge busoro beiri kwagachwa enya segeka kirege tambi kolende omo MCA wensemo eyo nabaga wikirana ase enseme yo omo MCA asamalieta Anthony Onkundi kirage na wikirana ase enseme yo asababa kugayana engana eyo ase abaga kurwa eirabuna enya gitali nechake kwagachwa ase obwango kigimana kwene kinga na chigoikirania amagenderero nechira chiri abete bagakolira abamenyi borogongo ruensemo eyo
enene sana ase location ya Masabo sub location ya Masabo ase tuwa umerana na wananchi wa Masabo bonse pi igoro yoko agachwa kwe dispensary ya Masabo liere iruire nyinge na barayi kurumaega babere bakogamba se wodi ya Kisusu litukoli rero igotwa chakwene kinga ase county yetu ya Kisii kubwatana na mugabane to Paul Simbarati ntole tayari kwagacha dispensary yetu ya Masabo aganyererwa asenga kire ntambe kandarasi njya rwegwa ne contractor ne wente ko chaka kwagacha dispensary yetu anytime from now twatwale to muzozo mukega ase mangana yo bulimo ase dispensary wente kwagachwa abo ase twagamba mangana twagaya na mangana yo bulimo buri bwa serikali ase dispensary yabo ente kwagachwa na bantu bakegamba simegete mete abande bakagacha chinyomba ntwigwana n'abananchi inga asayo abantu abo batigire ku rororo elinde dispensary ebe kororo erakonye abanyakenyoro ba Masabo yo ebarase njabo atimangana mange na mangana yo kuigwana n'abananchi elinde dispensary yagache na bwango iga kubatrana na mugaba Paul Simbarati ntwale mete no nyamache Masabo gabo chipara twarosiri Masabo gabo ne polytechnic nere kurkurio sia nero tubwente kunye revive bwango iga kero twakorera mangana ye dispensary gorenda abananchi ba Masabo ntagetemba sabe obo twereru mumanyenga dispensary ye ino ngochere koto kubwatara na bune county ya Kisii amona abananchi chira chonsi twaliete ngwikira mitole na inde ntosabe tenganya saya tubwatesi twikirane chire echi twaliete asemole dispensary ngochere
Ogoska positioni go abonchirilia anemono korwa asomuchi okero kabira okora obonchirilia obokobo ke babere bakogania abachogi ko bachinga kicinyororo chinga kibakonia ebinto byabo naboigo ase baba korwa ogosaba gochia ase serikali go kiania ligoli lyobugima elinde gochiko bachinga kicinyororo kero bakora obonchirilia ase baichaniranga omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto wekera bono taraba gawekirania chira egakobaliera chingaki alenge koligia oburai ase entunda ya eta yobocholi
kulingana buna nao ni kintu we miaka na ni karibu miaka 12 ngongo na yaiteire mono na yaiteire mono yakagara no ni tax twabere to kurusibwa se karokeye todo kinga nturi ko gotobwa se karokeye ko ri tax ntotagire ecensake egere na liturabe toko tukwebekeraniamo twaba tukuruchi besa chi council enye tikoruwe wala kinyakara bayiye taxi tutuenzi na watu wanaleta kubika namo twa
alipo vile wanaweka hata sana ya kaunti ya Nyamira yaangalie hii maneno. Mtu aziuze njuu shilingi 20 umukate taksi ya 50. Hiyo kitu yaangaliwe sana, watafutiwe njia.
Challenges mona abantu ababwate mo especially ne ya capital. Serikali ya Ruto yatotebete ngo toinwere ko inwera abantu aba mukazi korunse go chibo. Abantu aba mo especially the challenge babwate muna boneka ne yechibesa. Buleke binte bimbaka biso traffic ya monkoranga bya na bebonete no nyen 3000 shillings. Ne gasinsi no ne CMCA no ne chigavana babonete kurigereria barosi no ne chibese gitega chatengukando for these workers bayiguna chilon at least traffic
Siyogo ikasamangana alingite siasa nigo ingusanano entindi egenrete anemonekera baraibandete kwamereria nabo ikoligia ebirogo byabete bigo chigwa maiga yoyorenge omugavana we county ya Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya nabo igo omugavana we county ya Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho kobanga babeire bakwegwa obwaziri n'umuraiwense Dr. William Ruto ase abarai abonsi balenge abakonyi bomurai we kiama keria kia ODM ensemo yabarayikorwa ase county ya Kisumu nigo babeire bakomochia egati y'abasubati au babeire bakoraringa nigo barachikomoa omugavana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga okoboko anemono chinga ki arabe egako amereria egochikoba omokonyi bumurai we kiama keria kia ODM ase babatebanga chinsemo chinde imense icho Kenya anemono county ya Kisii asomo governor Paul Simba Arati na boigo county area ya Mombasa nchibonete kwegwa ekirogo ekyomokonyi bumurai wekiama kia ODM asensemo yabo batebanga omusubati obeire obosotakire kwegwa libaga lyoborai asekiama kia ODM maega ya mabaga gutiwa no mo women rep we county area ya Kisumu.
Speaking in one voice, and we are saying that there is no way we can endorse somebody who has not even approached us.
yes
There is no way we can even support somebody whose hand we have not seen when we are handling our issues of ODM. So today we are saying that we are all behind Her Excellency Ruth Adhiambo Odinga as the Secretary Political Affairs in the ODM party.
ODM is a national party led by none other than Raila Amolo Odinga. So when vacancies arise, we have to consider the national aspects in filling such vacancies. And you are aware that one deputy party leader came from the coast. And we have 40 formidable persons to fill such positions from the coast in the name of Abdul Samad Nasir to fill that post. And the other post, which also came vacant, we have other people in this region, not only in Lowland. In the case of the governor of Kisii County called Simba Arati, who has got all the qualifications.
We also have our
Togoska bosioni go ekanisege Catholic ya berege kurwa ogosaba gotia asaba Kenya kubasira abasibwana boigo bali babeire bagotabokia egesibo kyabo ayemaiga ya bange babo gonchelia yaniga kwanwa no Bishop Jonah Obala kurwa ase diocese ya Ngong Chingaki baba bagoikirana ase umoyega oboko basoyibo seko balikia abagaka bali babeire bagokora egesibo kyabo ase ekiombe kyabagaka keria gya Catholic ase abatabanga nabwate osemelinga omuntu kabekiriwe ase egesibo naboigo kabera kuira egetambokero gyogoikirania naboigo kubwatia amachiko abekire nabo akoba gagonchelia nakoba omuntu omuya.
Place is a holy ground where God is knocking every day on the heart of each one to turn to Him. And those who do, what a joy. It starts here and it continues when you go out there. That's why we are so happy for you, for the courage of your faith while in prison.
Ujo, unajua tunatumia kila mbinu kuishi hapa. Kila mbinu. Tunaongeleshana, tunaelewana, tunakosa kuelewana, tunakunja mangume, tunalimana na mambo kama hayo. But Kile kitu ambacho kinabadilisha binadamu kwa ukweli kabisa na abadilike na tujue kwamba amebadilika ni Yesu Kristo.
Togos kabosio asingana erengete amangana arengete chinse chiskoni go moteneneli bwaba waziri oyuboigo oromo waziri otenenete amangana arengete chinse chisiko Musalia Mudavadi abagakora egeikaro kyabagakoreta ababwatani korwa asense ya Kenya nense area ya China ase babagosanga ebinto awose amangana arengete chinchera chinse chibere chirabe chiko bwaterana ase abagotebanga ko bwaterana nga noko bwaterana egati yense ya Kenya nense ya China ense icho ya Kenya nechikogendera nabo igo nechikonyora amagendero asaba kotebanga ense ya Kenya nerwete bene kubwaterana nechinse chisiko anemono asoko nekingango kiniere ekerengo gense ya Kenya.
Institutionalized the joint technical teams for purposes of implementing the joint vision. The joint technical teams coordinated by the Ministries of Foreign Affairs have made considerable progress, including reporting on their activities for the first quarter. Now, hold consultations at equal levels, reinforcing understanding and building consensus on critical decisions. The ultimate aim is to strengthen the friendship and cooperation for a people-centered win-win situation. One of the key elements of the FOCAC is that it defines political and economic cooperation between Africa and China in a sustainable and consistent manner. Kenya finds stability and clarity in the manner and scope of cooperation within the FOCAC.
Perhaps, maybe not every 2 months, maybe every 3 months, or maybe every 4 months, Your Excellency can convene a meeting that brings together all sectors of government and our colleagues from China so that we can have a conversation on, number one, how can we do things?
Togos kaboso ikasingana erengete obo chenu nigo moliki ase ensemo yobo chenu bose public health Mary Mudhoni aberega kwenekeria aba Kenya buna serikali nebe gekwirania omoroberio oria olinda mama oyorenge egosira abasubati chingaki babeire bakwebwatirania na boigo ekero bakwe bose bakwibora korengana na Mudhoni nigabatebanga serikali ya Kenya nigo yabere koirege tambokere ke maega yokategera ebirero byaba Kenya asikolende amauntirio amange arabega gokorwa gukia ase amatuko abosyo kubwatekananga neki aba Kenya baraba gukwanera igoro yomoroberio oyo olinda mama.
I want to confirm it's coming back bigger and better because we are a listening government, we are a listening ministry, we hear, and what we go to is public participation. When people tell us this is what we want, then it is packaged together. So Linda Mama is coming back. This is going to be a program under SHIF, just like it used to be. So we will not have 2 separate programs. But Linda Mama is going to be a standalone program to take care of the mothers and the children. Yes. NHIF is extended on and until when SHIF is going to roll out. So we have not stopped Linda Mama. In fact, this year alone, we have injected 2.3 billion shillings for Linda Mama program. And out of this, it's going to take care of the mothers who are pregnant. And it should not be a challenge going to the health facility to deliver. Secondly, the packages for Linda Mama are going to cover prenatal care, normal delivery, cesarean delivery, and newborn care. So it's all encompassed together. And as I have said, the funds that are going to be reimbursed for the health facilities are actually more. So this is enhanced. It is an enhanced program, an enhanced Linda Mama. The benefit package for Linda Mama will be bigger and better. We'll take care of prenatal care. We'll take care of normal delivery. We'll take care of cesarean delivery.
Wanchumurelia ondizi TV kere kemo kere no muchakano kere no mwelio abunongo chuikera omwelio wa manganama ya chinsa ikomi chiabono maragobe litirane nkoro kwa job maangina bako ene kinga chibichechi wego na malio gyabera wekera a senchera yo wekera nun Kelvin Mugambi na kwa ene kinga chibichechi wego na malio gyabera wekera a senchera yo munwa we manyererio nere Lydia Mose a senkubaganilia abasubati bonsi. Happy World Breastfeeding Week chingaki chidia mwendete kolenda abana baino na baigo na bini kubaganelia oburelia obuya imyandizi TV na bubwansu bumugusi.